Well, I thought I would show, out of complete desperation, we bought these shelves. We had so many tools piled up to here, it was bad. And then my son's put all of these hammer holders on, very nice. We got the, I call it the tent, but it's a canopy for inclement weather, like rain, extreme sun, heat. Of course, we got a fastener bucket. Now, instead of going out and buying a lot of expensive toolboxes like we did do, we still use buckets. So this is our caulking bucket. Got the carpenter bucket with the pockets. Got another carpenter bucket. Got flat bars over here, mixers. You know, that kind of stuff you can never find. Sitting on the floor. You know, it's hard to find this stuff. And so this is kind of an all-purpose bucket. It's got like multitudes of tools, snips, screwdrivers. And we take that. And, of course, this is our really cool tool. I call it the flush cutter. And then we got the drill mixer. But we went and got these shelves because we just got so tired of stepping on all the tools and finding them. And look at this. The weld's broke. We got so much crap on it. And anyway, so we got to go some tie wire, duct tape, and we're going to fix that. Yeah, so this is our tool trailer. Well, this is our paint toolbox. Now I have a toolbox with just about everything: electrical, plumbing, drywall, flooring, whatever. But in our toolbox, we keep specialized tools. Now, this is something I put together, and that's an outlet cover for a switch. And this is for a regular cover. I said outlet, switch cover. So that's an outlet cover, and that is a double switch plate. Now the reason why we have this is because when we go do flip houses, we don't buy brand new light fixtures. We're going to sell the house anyway. So we take the old ivory ones, or even if the white ones are dirty, and we tape this to a piece of plastic, and you walk by with some really good white paint. Don't get the 99-cent stuff. We tried the 99-cent paint. It really sucks. You want to do it in one shot. So you hold this over your switch, give it a shot, and you can paint your switches. They look brand new. Then, of course, you can swap out the cover plates. But imagine how much faster that is rather than pulling the old outlets out and replacing them and rewiring them. So, little tips and tricks on how to spruce up a flip house. All right, you like what you see? Hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Dr. STUFIDO signing out. Mr. Dr. Mr. General STUFIDO.